I'm Nicole. I'm the studio manager at Stark Architecture and Interiors. We are a studio of 23 people. We design everything from single-family homes to multifamily buildings, commercial interiors, and even a little bit of furniture and lighting design. Before MyHR, we were building HR in-house. We were building policies and adding structure, but everything was in too many places. We had spreadsheets here and documents everywhere. So now that everything is in the portal, it makes it a lot easier for staff to find documents that are relevant to them. They can access all the policies right there, and it makes signing documents really easy. So that's been a big shift for us. MyHR has helped to lighten our load day to day, just because we're no longer spinning our wheels on things that we just are not experts in. So I've been trying for a really long time to create a proper job role and responsibilities document. But our advisor at MyHR and their team suggested a career framework, which is a completely different layout and template than what we were working with, but it's made such a huge difference. And we're now starting to roll it out with the team, and it's been really helpful. The platform has been genuinely helpful, but really the human support behind it all has been the real game changer for us. We are not HR professionals, we know that, so having someone who is that we can talk through things before starting a new initiative or a policy change has been really helpful. We realize we don't have to do it all alone, and MyHR helps to fill that gap. MyHR knows what to do.